Have you ever seen a system fail even though everything was logically correct? The code was right, the process was approved, the maths checked out, yet everything still broke. Today, let's understand why a system fails even when logic is perfect. We often assume that if logic is correct, the system must work. But real-world systems, software, organizations, finance, healthcare, even governments don't fail because logic is wrong. They fail because logic alone is never enough. Logic works beautifully in isolation, but systems don't live in isolation. They live in environments. Logic assumes stable inputs. Systems face changing conditions. Logic assumes ideal behavior. Humans behave emotionally, inconsistently, and irrationally. So the first reason systems fail is simple. They interact with reality, not theory. Every system is built on assumptions, most of them invisible. For example, users will follow instructions. Data will be clean. Load will be predictable. People will act rationally. Dependencies will always be available. When one assumption breaks, the entire system collapses, even if the logic is flawless. Systems don't fail at the point of logic, they fail at the point of assumption. Many systems are optimized locally but fail globally. For example, one team improves speed, another team's quality drops. One service scales, downstream systems crash. One department saves cost while customer experience collapses. Each party is doing the right thing locally, but together they create the wrong outcome. So the key insights here: a system is not the sum of its parts, it's the interaction between them. The most complex a system becomes, the harder it is to see failure coming. Multiple dependencies, too many handoffs, no single owner, delayed consequences. By the time failure is visible, it's already irreversible. Complex systems don't crash loudly, they decay quietly. Every system eventually meets a human. Humans introduce fatigue, stress, bias, shortcuts, fear of reporting issues. The logic might be perfect, but humans are not machines. And the systems that ignore human behavior always fail. You can say this is why banks collapse, software goes down, airplanes get delayed, startups fail, and the large organizations break. Not because people were stupid, but because systems were trusted more than reality. If you want systems that survive reality, don't just design for correctness. Design for failure, feedback, and human behavior.